Holy shit. Happy July 4th. It's currently raining out here, and fireworks not canceled until tomorrow, which is fine because it's tomorrow's Friday. It's gonna be the weekend after that, or during that time. But this is your herbivore update. As you can see, I've surpassed 7,000 KC. Still don't have the fucking pet. However, I was reading the internet, which, Reddit, I should say. There are people out there with accounts that have over 25 fucking thousand KC and still no fucking Herbie pet. Unbelievable. And I am not trying to be one of those people out there that has that crazy high KC. Oh my god. Like, I seen one. Someone had 40,000 KC. Still no fucking Herbie pet. What the fuck? I know I'm only 7,000, which is a lot in my opinion. Like, I really thought I would hit it before 6,500. That was my last video, stating that well, how did I word it? I hate old school RS. I think that's how I would name the video. This video is going to be called I Still Hate Old School RS. Old School RuneScape, whatever. OSRS, I still hate this fucking game. 7,000, like, come on, man. This game sucks. But I'm still out here, still hunting for them. Like, my almost 33 million hunter XP is still not high enough, apparently, to roll a fucking pet. Or to get one, I should say. There was this motherfucker I saw here a couple days ago. I believe he just hit 81 hunter. Hold on, I gotta check that. He just hit the level he can do herbivores. Where is it? Where are these fuckers? Other, I think, no. The fuck is it called? Where the hell is it? Not birdhouses. Where the hell is it called? Tracking, a dumbass. Okay, 80. Like, he just hit that level to do it. And I believe he said he got it at KC 91. Not even. Was it 91? Or was it 9? It was like, he didn't even hit 81 yet. This person didn't even hit 81 hunter and already got the fucking pet. Not iron, by the way. He was a regular count, kind of, like me. And fucking... No, the fucking... doesn't deserve a pet that early into the fucking hunt. The grind, I don't know what to fucking call it. And here I'm still struggling. 75 KC, I'm still out here. But as I mentioned before, like, there's other people that have had it a lot worse than I currently have it. But and then some of the people on the Reddit have stated that they've gotten the pet within like 3 KC, 12, 15, whatever. Just got it, like, it's just ready to go. Like, come on, people. I got other things I want to be doing. I still have to do temporous enough times to get the pet. I still haven't gotten a goddamn chin pet. Guardians of the Rift I have to do. And, of course, the giant squirrel. Like, I'll show you here. Where's the fucking... right... No, where the hell are you? Right here. Collection log. You go to miscellaneous, and it's already here. Chat Herbie. 0 Herbie. 0 pets. Like... We got the Rocky twice. No Chinchampa. No squirrel. Like, come on. Yeah, it's... Here's the crazy thing though, right? So, stealing wise on this account, absolutely fucking terrible RNG, right? For getting pets, loot, you know, anything of that nature. This account just absolutely sucks, right? But then you have me that goes to, I did, Xerax a couple times. You know, the raid. Shut this shit out. Oh, fuck. Where is it? Where is it? Where the hell are ya? Oh, raids. I have a twisted bow under 24 KC, right? So PVM related, this account is crazy RNG for that. Oh, by the way, I got the twisted bow at 9 KC with only 4.9 points, 4.9 thousand, so 4,900 points. I was able to roll a fucking twisted bow at 9 KC. Like, how the fuck does that make sense? I did spoon for fucking PVM related shit, but stealing wise, I did absolutely shit on. So account makes no fucking sense. It's like even back in the day when I, you know, before old school was even a thing, when it was just normal RuneScape, I fucking, the hell was it? This was years ago. I had another crazy event like that. But my memory's bullshit me right now. I'm fucking sounding like Joe Budden. Some of these days you don't remember the time, and like, yeah, that's what's happening right now. God, I wonder what the hell was that. Anyways, this is just another update that I'm still out here, and this game is still kicking my ass, and I still hate it. You got the people that are like, if you hate something, why are you still doing it? Well, I can't take no for an answer. I have to keep doing a certain thing that I want to, to get. And right now, I would really love to get this Herbie pet so I can move on to another task. You know, like I mentioned, like Temperance, Gardens of the Rift, Agility, Rooftop, Light. And then maybe even the Chinchompas. Like, anything other than this fucking Herbie tracking bullshit. Oh, I gotta fucking... Oh, note these sons of bitches. Huh. Oops. But you know what I mean. Like, I'm not someone that likes to multitask and like do other things. I'm someone that will just consistently grind a certain thing until I receive what I want. So it's been Tetris, tedious, whatever the fuck. It's been shit. This grind's been shit. So I just want to be done. I will end this video in 2 more KC. I will get 70, 80 KC. End the video. And then it's gonna go back on my channel named I Still Hate OSRS. I'm not one of the crazy unlucky ones, but I am an unlucky person doing this fucking shit. And I wanted to end like now. Well, I wanted to have this fucking shit done a long time ago, like before 6500, like hitting 99 Hunter or like 98 Hunter. I would have loved to fucking have the Herbie pet, but nope. I got 99, and I mean, granted, I do birdhouses, so technically this 33 million XP is not just Hunter related. It is some ours. Or a portion of it is from birdhouses. But there's a 70-80 KC. I am still out here struggling. And I still don't see the light. Like, something, you know, it'd be nice to fucking get it, but it's looking at those people on Reddit having over 25,000 KC, I might be one of those people in the future, you know? I don't want it to Jesus, dude, I hope I'm playing another game by that rate. I hope that by 10,000 KC, I've officially done with Herbie. Like, I don't know. I'm guessing at the rate we're going, I'm gonna hit 10,000 KC. I will not have the pet by then. And I'll probably be doing the same shit. It's probably be hunting more Herbie and yeah, it's just it's a fun fucking grind. So it's the people out there that have gotten this pet way before drop rate or even before fucking 99 Hunter. That's technically you doing this to train the skill of Hunter to get 99 or whatever the fuck you wanna level you want to get after 80. So I applaud the people that fucking get this goddamn pet before then. But to the people out there, I mean, I'm not the only one. There's other people out there that have surpassed the drop table or the drop rate of Herbie pet and other pets out there like this. But my point is, I've been doing this shit for a long fucking time, like on and off, between my work schedule. Like I am literally like coming home when I have free time. I am doing herbivore or hunting, tracking, whatever the fuck. I'm tracking Herbie every single time I play this fucking game, and I'm like doing other things on, you know, other accounts and shit. But like my main focus is getting the Herbie pet at some fucking point in this goddamn game. So I don't know. I don't know what the future looks like. All I know, there is a saying that if you are thinking of a certain thing that you're gonna get, it's not gonna happen. Like you have to get like pet drops. Like you shouldn't be doing the skill or the boss if you're thinking about getting the pet, like or a drop like the Dragon Warhammer. Like you shouldn't be doing a certain thing if you expect to get it. Like you should be doing it just for another reason other than what you're actually trying to get. And somehow like you magically get what you want when you're not fucking thinking about it. I don't know what the fuck kind of theory that is. I'm dead ass serious. There was like I think it was the mining pet. Like I was just fucking nonchalantly just mining them and I'm depositing the pay dirt or whatever into the fucking hopper and just like magically getting the fucking pet. And I didn't realize it at first. Like I looked, you know, I deposited ore, ran back, ran up the ladder, and oh my god, I fucking got the pet. Like I didn't click that I actually gotten the mining pet, but that's just what I hear anyways, and I'm saying that is probably true. But at this rate, I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to think about. All you do is get herbs and these fossils. Like, what else am I supposedly supposed to be getting other than the fucking pet? Like, what else am I supposed to be... Should I be looking at just rare fossils instead of this other bullshit? Or, you know, what am I supposed to be thinking of here, you know? Anyways, that's just the rant here. Like, don't fucking think this is a match. I actually do enjoy old school RuneScape. I just hate the fact that there are certain, you know, drop tables and kill counts and loot tables that you're supposedly supposed to roll at a certain time, and yet you get people that are crazy fucking lucky, and then you got people that are crazy unlucky. Like, it just depends on how you play it. I do realize that, you know, having an iron account you probably have a better chance at rolling a certain item for being an iron, because there's a lot more involved in an iron account than just being a regular normie account. But at the same time, like, I am so sick of doing this shit. I can't imagine being those people that have 20,000, 25,000 and still doing that shit. I can't. I sincerely hope I'm not one of them. But I guess what I'm trying to say is, if over time I haven't received the pet by then, I probably would, within 2 years or something, I'd probably hit over 20,000 KC. Just between my work schedule and what I do for the free time anyways, it takes me a while to gain KC. Like, on the weekends, I can gain, I don't know, about 120, 150 KC in a normal, day, like Saturday or Sunday. So, but on the weekdays, it's maybe 20, 30 KC at a time, just for the other shit I gotta get done around the house and personal stuff. So I don't get all the time in the world to be doing herbivores and tracking and the other shit involved in this game. Anyways, enough of me rambling. Thank you to the people that have stuck around this long, whatever the fuck, I don't know. Just listen to me ramble about this and watch me do the same shit over and over and over and over again, I can't remember the name. Is it tedious? I think tedious is a word that's, like, hard to do. Like, it's not... Oh, here's the word I'm thinking. Repetitious. That is the act of, like, doing the same thing or motion repeatedly. And this is what the fuck I'm doing. I'm doing the same repeated motion over and over again. It would be awesome to see the pet at the very end of this video. But I'm being serious. One more KC. 7085. I'm ending this video. If anybody has some good luck, send it my way. Or people that have made it this far, please put down in the comment section what KC you got the Herbie pet, if you have the pet. I want to know what kind of KCs some people have. Like I said, I just ran into a person not that long ago that just hit 80-100, just started doing it, and already rolled the pet before he even hit 8100. Normie account. Just unbelievable. Anyways, last one. Oh, that's someone talking to me on here. There you go. 785. There you go. Alright. I'll see ya in another couple hundred KC update, I'll sure to fucking, update y'all. So, see you later.